Hello everyone, welcome to YouTube channel Math Everywhere. Here's me, Mr. Nizar. They call me Mr. Key. So this question is trigonometry. It's very eligible to come in paper 2 because you do need a calculator here. So this is math standard level AA paper 2, and it can come in HL also. So it's trigonometry. Here there are trees at A and B, and they say that the distance between them is 6.36 meter. So be careful to the unit. And someone here called Odette is playing football in the park and standing on a point O. So you have the angle 10 and you have the distance between O and A is 25.9 meters. So the angle OAB is obtuse. So this angle is obtuse. That means the cosine of this angle must be negative, because if you draw the unit circle here, cosine, every student take calculus. In quartile number 1, cosine is positive, sine is positive. But here are the obtuse angles that are above 90 degrees and before 180 degrees. So the cosine is negative. Only the sine is positive in quartile 2, every student. So only sine is positive. So be careful here. Question A, they said, calculate the size of the angle ABO. Do you see this sign here? It means angle. Angle ABO. ABO. So here, should I use rule of sine or rule of cosine? I don't know. So they need this angle for now. Since I have the opposite, which is B small, and here angle O capital, that means this is O small letter. So I can use rule of sine. So I would say 6.36 over sine the opposite angle, which is 10 degrees. Be careful here, you have to set your calculator on degrees. Equals this side, B small, 25.9 over sine the opposite angle, which is B. This is the one I want, ABO. Cross multiply and you will get sine ABO is, multiply these numbers by each other, 25.9 times sine 10 degrees and divide by 6.36. So here I need to make sure that my calculator is set on degrees. Degrees. So I would do 25.9 times sine 10 degrees divide by 6.36. So remember that sine and cosine must be between -1 and +1. So if you get any answer greater than 1, please reject it. It means you made a mistake. 0.707. Now measurement of angle ABO equal sine -1, 0.707. I think it's 45 degrees. So shift sine. I think it's 45 degrees. Yeah, it's 45 degrees. So there are 3 marks for this question. I think method 1 mark, then answer 1 mark. It's so easy. So quickly write it here, 45 degrees. And remember, in any triangle, if you have 2 angles, how to find the third one? Subtract from 180. Now they need the area of the triangle AOB, the area. If you remember the area of a triangle, it's base times height divided by 2. But here I don't have a height, so I can use that formula from the formula booklet. It's A half times A times B times sine the angle C. But here we don't have ABC, we have ABO. But look here, I don't have OB, I don't have this side. So I need to avoid it. I can use any 2 sides and included angle. So let me find the angle A first. Measurement of angle A equals 180 minus 45 minus 10. So 180 minus 55 is 125 degrees. So they said it's obtuse, if you remember. So this angle is 125 degrees. So I can use these two sides and the included angle to calculate the area. So area equal half times this side times this side times sine this angle. So 25.9 times 6.36 times sine 125 degrees. So 1/2, which is 0.5, times 25.9 times 6.36 times sine 125 degrees. The area here is 67.467 square meter. There are 4 marks for this question. So let's say if I calculate this angle, 1 mark, and the method here has 2 marks, and the answer with the unit has 1 mark. So in total 4 marks. This is a simple question about rule of sine, rule of cosine, and the area. Please notice that you can use the formula booklet, so you don't need to memorize these formulas, but you need to know how to use them as engineers. So good luck.